Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Discovery Plus on Vizio TV. Quick guide step by step clearly. To activate Discovery Plus on your Vizio TV, start by turning on your Vizio television. Ensure that your TV is connected to the internet. Navigate to the SmartCast home screen using your remote. Look for the Discovery Plus app in the app section. If you don't see it, you can search for it using the search function. Once you find the app, select it to begin the installation. After the app is installed, open it from the SmartCast home screen. You will see an option to sign in. Select the Sign In option. A code will be displayed on your screen. Now, grab your smartphone or computer and open a web browser. Go to the activation website provided on your TV screen. Enter the code displayed on your television. Once you input the code, click Continue or Submit. Log in using your Discovery Plus account credentials. If you do not have an account, you can create one on the website. After logging in, return to your Vizio TV. The app will refresh, and you should be signed in. Now, you can start enjoying all the content available on Discovery Plus. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.